This thing has been sitting in my room for 8 days. 8 whole days. I should get an award for this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is the very first time you guys are going to see me. I'm very nervous right now. Up until now, you've always seen my hands, my fingers, but not the face behind this channel. So here I am, about to unveil this, the BTS Love Yourself in Seoul DVD, which has been sitting in my room for so long, for almost a week, over a week, but I wasn't able to unbox it because I wanted to film a video, and also I was very busy. I've been busy for almost over 20 days now, and so that is why no other painting videos from my side as well. But now I'm finally free and I've decided to finally open up this baby. So without wasting any time, let's just start unboxing this baby that came straight from the Big Hit shop. I'm so excited. Here's the cutter. I don't know where to start from. I've never done any unboxing video before, so here we go. So what is up with you guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Enlighten me. And oh my god, it's difficult to open this baby up. This thing is hard. It's very hard. Oh, almost opened it up. Wait. Oh, I'm very bad at using cutters and all. I don't want to hurt myself, but they're almost there. It's half open at the moment. Guys, it's gonna be a very genuine reaction from me because this is the first time I've actually ordered something from Big Hit, and I was so happy when this arrived. And it's here. Wait. Please don't mind if I scream or anything of that sort. The baby's right here. Did any of you guys do this? I like the sound. I like doing this. In fact, I used to do a lot of this when I was a child. Well, back to work. Oh my beauty. I'm so excited at the moment. Oh, it's two of them. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. These the stickers. Let's look at these. How cute they are. BTS World Tour in Seoul. Love Yourself. These are stickers. Look at my boys. They're so cute. They're so... Oh my god. I'm so happy. Copyright Big Hit Entertainment. Yes, of course. And these are again the stickers. Wow, they're so cute. I was thinking of making a journal. Start a journal actually. And I might use these stickers on that. And another one here. Oh, there are two. Love Yourself in Seoul. See? Wow, there are four of them. Okay. Another, this one. And he's cute. I love them. Wow. Thank you, Big Hit. And now for the queen. Again, this cutter thingy. I'm gonna start from the back. Being very careful. Very careful. Is it okay? Wow, it has a matte cover. Well, by the way, if you are a BTS ARMY, do let me know in the comment section who your bias and your bias wrecker is. If you're an OD7 or anything, I would love to know. let's open now. Oh, there's something written on the cover as well. BTS, love yourself. And here it is. Being very careful. Very, very careful. Ah, wow. There it is. I think this is the CD part. This is so cute. Oh my god, it's so clean. I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to open it. But I have to. Anyways. Ah. Wow. The three discs are here. Disc 1, 2, and 3. Yay! You know what, guys? I actually promised my fellow army friends that I am going to watch this DVD with them. So now that I've unboxed the DVD, I'm gonna have my friends home and we are gonna watch the DVD together. I promised them and I'm gonna live up to my promise. So look at this. For this part, first of all, okay, is this the poster? Oh my god! I got Cuckoo! I actually call Jungkook Cuckoo. Oh my god, wow! This is huge! Look at that! This is huge, guys! Jungkook! Oh my god, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They folded it 5 times. Wow, look at him. He's so handsome. I'm gonna put it on the wall. I expected Jungkook. I don't know why. I expected Jungkook. And wow, it's really, guys, so handsome. So handsome. Wow. And this is huge. This is really huge. Wow. I'm gonna put it on my wall. Oh my god. The back. Wow. This is my world. Like, literally, guys. I'm getting all emotional right now. Going to a BTS concert is my one dream that I want to fulfill for sure. And you know what? One day for sure. One day for sure. So let's just open this book up. Look at my 7 wonders. Look at my 7 boys. There's ah, wow. Ah, so happy today. BTS World Tour, love yourself. Again, the same ocean I want to be a part of. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this handsome boy. Ah, Mr. President. Look at him. Wow. So seriously, Namjoon is so handsome. Ah, little meow meow. I call him Yoongi Meow. I don't know why, but I literally call him Meow. Oh my god, Yoongi is so handsome at the same time. Wow. They're all really handsome. I love these outfits, by the way. I really love these outfits. Wow. Worldwide handsome guy. Look at the book is too heavy for me. Look at this boy right here. Oh my god. Oh, Cuckoo's photo card. Take a look. Wow. The behind the scenes, the BTS of BTS, Love Yourself in Seoul. Wow. So, I think it's from their practice. The dance line. The unboxing is done. I'm gonna give you guys a quick review of what's going on in my life at the moment, why I did not post any video for 2 weeks. You guys know I've told you before that I was busy for 8 days or 20 days almost, and also that I haven't been keeping well for almost 15 days. Yes, almost 15 days. I don't know what exactly the problem is. There's something or the other that keeps going on in my health. Recently I'm having a really serious pain in my leg, and I got my test done yesterday. The reports say that I need to take in more of vitamin D and calcium, but also I haven't been keeping well. Overall, I haven't been keeping well with my health for a lot of days now, but still, I try to come up with new ideas, come up with new videos, and I do have a few ideas of the next paintings that I'm gonna come up with. So guys, please be a little bit patient. I will sure come up with new paintings soon. And also guys, I wanted to talk to you guys about this. I wanted to bring a few changes in my channel, since now that I've revealed myself, now that I've gained a little bit of confidence, and to come up in front of the world, from behind the camera to in front of the camera, I want to interact with you guys more. So let me know if you guys want me to do a Q&A kind of video, or you want me to make more vlogs like these, or genuine vlogs, daily vlogs. I won't be able to do daily vlogs as such, but yeah, just let me know if you guys want me to come up with new videos, new ideas. I will be more than happy to do one. And if you guys want me to come do a Q&A video, then do leave your questions in the comment box below using the hashtags Kitty Shares More. I will leave all the information details in the description box below. So because I know our family is, I don't know, why did I hold this? I'm sorry. I know our family is really small, but I am determined to make it large, to expand it, to know my viewers well, and to let my viewers know me well. So let me know if there is any other video kind of you want me to see, or if you have any other painting ideas for me, any canvas paintings ideas, or any DIY ideas. I do have a few on my list, but I wasn't able to find time to do that because I was so busy. But now that I'm free, I will come up with new videos soon, DIYs, paintings, canvas, etc. So thank you so much guys for listening to my unending blabbering, my excitement, my not so beautiful but ugly face. And I will come up with new videos soon, and till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.